how to make your Venmo payments private. First, you want to simply open the Venmo application, and inside the Venmo app, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your profile over here at the bottom right of your screen. Inside your profile, you want to simply tap on privacy settings over here, and inside your privacy settings, you'll be able to see an option called change your default payment visibility. You want to simply tap on that payment visibility option, and you want to simply set it to private. And once you save your changes, you'll be able to make your Venmo payments private. Another way to do it, you want to simply go to the pay/request option over here, and inside your pay or request tab over here, you want to simply select the person that you want to send money to. And if you look over here, you'd be able to find an option called public over here. You want to simply select on this option, and you want to simply select it to private, and once you make your payment, it will be private. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.